In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get sciatic nerve pain relief using the 4 best stretches out there. This will give you a tool which is all natural and you can use anywhere to keep you functioning better, reduce your discomfort until you can get back in balance and loving life again. Hi, my name is Dr. Craig Hindson from Loving Life Chiropractic in Ottawa, and I'm currently getting a lot of questions about sciatic nerve pain. For instance, Chris sent me in a question recently saying, Dr. Craig, what stretches can I do to relieve this sciatic nerve pain? Sciatic nerve pain can be, well, a real pain. So it varies in different magnitudes. It can start off as a dull ache in the joints either side of the pelvis, but usually develops to be shooting down into the thigh, down to the knee, and even down into the ankle. Okay, so there may be some other questions on sciatica which you want answered, and I'm going to be answering them for you at the end. But let's get straight into the sciatic nerve pain stretches. So I'm going to give you them in the order from easiest to do to hardest to do. Okay, so if you have some restricted mobility or some movement issues, start with the easiest one first. The first is a sitting leg raise. So sit in a chair, both feet firmly on the ground, nice straight back. And what we're going to do is we're going to be lifting up the knee towards the chest. Okay, now as we pull the knee up towards the chest, we grasp the shin, and we're going to be pulling it slightly across to the opposite side, so across to the left. And when I start to feel the pull on my gluteal area, on my buttock area, I'm then going to look over my shoulder, so I'm looking over to the right. And I feel that pull there on the piriformis muscle. Okay, and I'm going to hold that for between 10 and 30 seconds. Okay, so if you're in acute stage, you can do this in sets of 2 or 3 and do it 3 times, perhaps once an hour to start to get yourself out. Obviously, vary that to your tolerance depending on what's going on. So if that is easy for you, then the next one we're going to do is the bent forward sciatic stretch. So we're going to bring our right ankle over the knee, and we're going to lean forward. We're not going to lean on the leg. We're actually going to kind of arch our back over the leg, over towards the left-hand side. And we're going to start to feel the stretch again in the gluteal area. As you're leaning over, the direction of pulling your back is almost up towards the ceiling. So you're leaning over and you're kind of pulling up towards the ceiling from the base of your pelvis. So you lean over and the direction of pull is kind of upwards. Of course, as we're leaning forward, we can't pull up, but that direction will get us going in the right direction. Okay, and then the third one needs us on a surface. So we're going to be on a yoga mat or on a carpeted floor. Best not to do it on the bed. We want a little bit of firmness. This is a chiropractic table, so it's very firm and stable. So this is the affected side, the right hand side. And I'm pulling it through there, put my arms through, and I kind of make a figure 4 with my feet, and I pull in there. As I pull the ankle towards my nose, I feel the stretch in my buttock area. Okay, and just so you can see for the other side, this is what it looks like. There's a nice stretch there going on straight away. So this muscle area here. Okay. So this last stretch is one of the most intense and effective sciatic nerve pain relief stretches on the planet, and it's personally my favorite. And I'm going to teach it to you in just a moment. But from the questions I've been receiving, I know some of you want to circle back to questions like, where is the sciatic nerve and what is sciatic nerve damage? So at the end of this video, I'm going to give you 2 free resources to answer these questions. And if you've been getting value from this video, hit the like and share it with others you know who may benefit from this type of information. Okay, so this is the 4th exercise. This is my personal favorite. It's called the Pigeon stretch. But just a warning, it is not for everyone. So if you have restricted motion, then try the first 3 stretches first before you get to this one. Now, we're normally going to do it on a floor. Carpeted floor is great, or hardwood floor makes no difference. I'm doing it on the table just for demonstration purposes. You start off in a side position, okay? Now the affected leg, in this case on the right hand side, I'm going to bring through. So I'm almost going to make a figure 4. So I'm here, and I bring my leg through, and I'm almost making a figure 4. it'll be on the floor and obviously be pressing up. And then I can just use my arms and just lower very slowly down, and I feel that stretch right on the piriformis muscle, which is the muscle we're working to stretch here. So as we lower it down, we can feel that pull happening. Okay, and that's a nice intense one. I'm going to swatch around so you can see, and that's what it looks like when we come to the other side. Obviously the floor will be there holding my foot up a little further. As we lower down, we get that pull on the sciatic, on the muscle trapping the sciatic nerve, the piriformis muscle. So some of the other sciatic nerve questions I've been asked by people are things like, where is the sciatic nerve? What is sciatic nerve damage? So I'm just putting together some MRI and X-ray material and developing video resources to answer these two questions. So if you hit the subscribe button and hit the bell and put the notifications to all, then as soon as that comes out, you'll have notification. And as soon as I've completed them, if you go down into the description, some of them may be done now, all the videos for the sciatic nerve series that I'm putting together, I'm going to put links to them down in the description. Okay, and if you have any questions on sciatica in particular, put it in the comments below and I'll answer them when I circle back, or maybe even produce another video or PDF resource for you. Okay, so in the meantime, just click on the video here. If I've completed it, it may be, where is the sciatic nerve? If not, then YouTube have put something there that they think you're really going to love. My name's Dr. Craig Hindson, Loving Life Chiropractic, getting you back to a loving life.